Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your data with Dropbox step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create one. If you already have an account, click on sign in and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the folder where you want to transfer your data. Click on the upload button to select files from your computer. Choose the files or folders you wish to upload and click Open. Wait for the upload to complete. To transfer data from another device, download the Dropbox app on that device. Open the app and sign in with the same Dropbox account. You'll see your uploaded files listed there. To share files, right-click on the file and select Share. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can manage permissions by choosing whether they can edit or only view the file. After entering the details, click Send. To access your files offline, download the Dropbox app on your mobile. Open the app and navigate to the file you want to save offline. Tap on the icon and select Make Available Offline. For backup, you can use the backup option in settings to automatically sync files. Remember to check your storage space regularly to manage your data. Now you're ready to transfer data using Dropbox efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.